Do you know, jellyfish are gelatinous, umbrella-shaped marine animals with stinging tentacles. They've been on the planet for millions of years, and their simple structure belies their fascinating biology. There are thousands of jellyfish species, ranging from tiny to massive, and from harmless to venomous. Jellyfish play a vital role in marine ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. Their unique characteristics have also inspired scientific research and artistic expression. Kindly like and subscribe.